Hello, my name is Ronald Ochoa. I am research entomologist of the Systematic Entomology Laboratory and a curator of the Smithsonian National Mite Collection at Pennsfield, Maryland. I work with plant-feeding mites at the United States Department of Agriculture. Now, after what you learned with identifying the genus Brevipalpus, let's identify a more easy, more common flat mite. For example, this one that has been collected from orchids. Look at the body. And the first thing that will call our eye is the long city at the end. However, we can go over the website again. We start to identify the cities over the dorsum. You can see here the dorsal cities, here one, B2, SC1, SC2, three cities. Notice that the three cities more or less are in the same shape, different sizes, but more or less the same shape. We can go over the opistosoma. Notice the reduction of the shape of the body going to the end of the opistosoma. Notice that do not have three ventral plates, only have one big ventrogenital plate. Beautiful. You can see it. In the dorsum, we start to look all the cities. C1, C3, D1, D3, E1, E3, F2, F3, H2, that is filiform and long, and H1, that is short. How we know that this is F2? Because it's one extra city in the account. The base number in the lateral border of the mite usually is 6 cities. When it has 7 cities, it means that you have the presence of the F2 city. And that is a clue to help you. And if you see the larvae of this mite, you will see that the position of the F2 is not in the border, it's more in. The reason that it's right now in the border is because the artifact when we squish the mite. Now, knowing all that, we return to the key and we select what we just saw. C1 is present. C2 is present. No, C2 is absent. Nobody correct me here. Absent. D1 is present. D2 is absent. E1 is present. E2 is absent. Now, here's the tricky. F2 is present. F3 is present. If F3 is present, what kind of shape is that city? We saw it that is normal. It's not elongated, it's a normal shape. That means that you select the normal shape. Okay. Now you go to H2, and you remember what we saw with the H2. The H2 is extremely elongated. S1 is present and is normal. Yeah. See that SC2 is also normal or similar. SC2. SC2. Thank you. SC2. Now, the lateral opistosomal city, we know it has 7 or 8 cities. Okay, I think I know what is going on. Now, the natosoma, the number of pulps is important now. See, the normal pulse is, it could be 1 segment, 2 segments, 3 or 4. Let's see with the mind. Go over the mind. And you can see that this one has 1 segment there, 1, 2, and 3. Just 3 segments. I mean that you return to your key, you select 3 segments, and voila. You see in the other side what happened? It's only 1 genus, Tenuipalpus. And what you have been looking at is Tenuipalpus mite. And because it's from orchids, probably is Tenuipalpus pacificus. Thank you.